My name is Priyanka and this is my dad, Mr. Ravindra Prasad Sinha. So we are from Jharkhand basically, and my dad had knee issues, like lot of knee pain. He was not able to even walk properly since many years actually, but last 5 years were very troublesome, and like it was very difficult for him to get up and then walk even and obviously stairs and all were like unthinkable. So I live here in Hyderabad. So he came here, and I heard about Dr. K J Reddy and Apollo Hospitals having the best orthopedics department from my friend, and his dad also went through a knee replacement surgery, which was very successful. So definitely I came to visit Dr. K J Reddy sir. And first of all, I really liked how the registration was done smoothly, and then everything, first the patient history was taken, and then obviously sir gave a very detailed discussion about what will happen after the surgery, how the surgery will go, and like how it will affect the the life quality of my dad, because he had so much of apprehension that going through such a major surgery and both knee replacement, and like whether actually it is successful or not, or whether it will be worth it, like having to go through so much. But then sir was very patient, and he very clearly explained that it will improve the quality of life, and definitely we should go for it. And everything was done very smoothly. In fact, I think within a week we went ahead with the surgery. Last year only we had the surgery, and now after a year we visited again for a feedback with sir, like whether it's good enough, because for my dad is able to walk very properly. He is able to climb down the stairs, and he is walking every day 3 kilometers, 4 kilometers. That is the best part. He is having a good time. He is exercising. Everything is so smoothly. So I am very satisfied. My dad is also very satisfied. And one more thing I would like to add: the team also here is very good. Like apart from sir's department, like when we went for the surgery, after that physiotherapy was one thing which we liked very much. 30 to 45 days, yeah, we went for the physiotherapy, and that was also very smoothly done. And I would definitely recommend sir and Apollo Hospitals for anything related to this orthopedic department, and this is very successful. Thank you so much.